Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. As we have completed MCQs and case study of this revision worksheet that you have got in the PTM. Now we are going to start this very short type questions. That means these questions are of 1 mark. In this, the question number one. Question number one is what? Evaluate. Question number one means in the worksheet it is question number 9, and in this one you are supposed to evaluate. Evaluate means you are supposed to simplify this one. 25 raised to 1 by 3 into 5 raised to 1 by 3. We know the laws of exponent. What if a raised to m into b, a raised to n is there, then what you have to do? A raised to m plus n. That means if the bases are same and they are in multiplication, then we have to add the powers. ये आपको याद होगा. Here also, here the bases are not same. Here it is 25 and here it is 5. But we can convert this 25 as what? 5 square. हम 25 को 5 square लिख सकते हैं. Because 5 into 5 is 25. 5 square into 1 by 3. Sorry, 5 square raised to 1 by 3 into 5 raised to 1 by 3. Now we also know that if a raised to m whole raised to n is there, then what you have to do? A raised to m into n, correct? So here this 5 square whole raised to 1 by 3 can be written as what? 5 raised to 2 by 3. Is it clear? Till here is it clear? यहाँ तक सबको clear है?
Yes, sir.
Then we are going to apply this first laws of exponent. Here bases are same now and they are in multiplication, so that we have to add the powers. 5 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is what? 3 by 3, and 3 by 3 means 5 raised to 1, and 5 raised to 1 is nothing but it is 5. Therefore the answer of this first one, 25 raised to 1 by 3 into 5 raised to 1 by 3 is 5. Is it clear to everyone or any confusion is there?
No, sir.
Just write it now. Okay, this 9th one is completed. Now move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is the number, and the number is in the form of 3 minus root 7 into 3 plus root 7. Is rational or irrational? First of all, what you have to do? You are supposed to simplify this one. इसको simplify करोगे तो you know the identity. Which identity? A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is equals to what?
A minus A square minus B square.
Very good. A square minus B square. ये सेकंड चैप्टर का है. सेकंड चैप्टर के लास्ट एक्सरसाइज करने के पहले जो आइडेंटिटी हमने 8 आइडेंटिटी पढ़ी है उसमें आई थिंक दिस इज द फोर्थ वन. We know that A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. So here also this 3 minus root 7. Here 3 is A and root 7 is B, and 3 plus root 7 can be written as what? 3 square minus root 7 square. Is it clear to everyone why I have written 3 minus root 7 and 3 plus root 7 as 3 square minus root 7 square?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है स्टेटमेंट बोल सकता है. तो 3 square means what? 9. And if we
9.
square the square root का square करते हैं तो square root will be cancel out. This will be 7, and therefore the answer is 2. अब 2 is rational है कि irrational है?
Rational.
It is rational. क्या लिखोगे? It is rational. Why it is rational? Because it can be written in the form of P by Q. It is rational. Why? Because it can be expressed. It can be expressed in the form of A by B, where B is not equals to 0. You are supposed to write these statements. Any confusion in this one?
No, sir.
Let's write it now. Now moving to the question number 11. You are supposed to write the coefficient of y in the expansion of 5 minus y whole square. Here you are supposed to find the coefficient of y. तो पहले तो क्या करोगे आप? ये इसको देखोगे तो आप ऐसा मत बोल देना कि यहाँ पे y के साथ ये अंदर y के साथ क्या है -1, तो -1 लिख दोगे तो आपको मिलेंगे 0 मार्क्स। पहले तो इसको एक्सपांड करना पड़ेगा, इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा। दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर सपोज टू एक्सपांड दिस 5 - y होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, ये 5 - y होल स्क्वायर का एक्सपांशन करोगे तो विच फॉर्मूला, विच आइडेंटिटी वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई हियर? 5 - y होल स्क्वायर। यस एनीवन?
5 square plus 5 square minus 2
Identity,
into 5.
I want to know which identity.
A minus B
Whole square.
whole square.
Yeah, a minus b whole square is equals to what?
A square plus B square minus 2AB.
Very good, Poojan, very good. So here we are going to apply a minus b whole square. Here a square means 25 minus 2ab means 5 2s are 10y and plus b square means plus y square. अब इसमें y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? तो यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है, दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Therefore the coefficient of y in 25 just 25 minus 10y plus y square is y के साथ क्या है? -10. Therefore the coefficient is -10. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anybody have any question regarding this one?
No, sir.
Just write it. Now moving to the question number 14. Question number 14 is find the point whose ordinate is 6. Ordinate means what? Find the point whose ordinate is 6. What do you mean by ordinate? Yes, anyone? We have already. Yeah, beta.
Sir,
by
question
coordinate.
12.
Okay, question 12 is left. Find the value of. तो इसको solve कर दो. Find the value of. Sorry. Question number 12 first. In question number 12, I'm going to write here. You are supposed to find the value of 5 by 32 minus 5 by 22. Correct. You are supposed to find the LCM of this 32 and 22. What is the LCM of 32 and 22? Just find it. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 16 ja, 2 11 ja. Then 2 8 ja 16, 11 as it is. 2 4 ja, मतलब ये 8 आ जाएगा लास्ट में. 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja and then 11. What is the LCM of this one? 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. 32 into 11. The LCM is what? 32 into 11.
352.
Yeah, and this number will be multiplied by 11. 11 5 and this number is multiplied by 32. 5 into 32. Correct. 32 into 11. 11.
352.
What?
352.
11 5 ja 55 minus 352.
No, sir.
5 3 ja 15 आएगा ना. 5 2 ja 10. Oh sorry. 5 2 ja
160 आता है 160
168 कैसे आएगा? 160 आएगा ना ये. 5 2 जा 10 1
हाँ
5 3 जा 15 160. बोलिए क्या हुआ? बोलिए क्या बोल रहे हो?
nothing sir
See, the LCM is 32 into 11. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32 into 11.
352.
352 नीचे आएगा ऐसा बोल रहे हो ना आप?
हाँ सर.
पूरा बोलो ना आप. 352 बोल रहे हो, मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ कहाँ का बोल रहे हो. 11 2 जा 22, 2 कैरी, 11 3 जा 33 plus 1 34. नहीं 2 आएगा. 352 राइट. तो 32 में 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और 32 के और 22 में 32 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. देन इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस वन, द आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 105 minus 105 ना. minus 105 upon 352. Therefore, the answer is minus 105 upon 352. Is it clear? Is it
Yes, sir.
मेरे ख्याल से है ना ये क्वेश्चन में लोग ने कुछ गड़बड़ी की है. ऐसा क्वेश्चन तो नहीं देना चाहिए था. ठीक है, दे दिया है. आई थिंक ये चलो कोई नहीं, जो दिया है उसके हिसाब से हमने कर लिया. Question number 12 comes.
12.
Now move to the question number 13. In which quadrant? Yes, beta, बोलिए. In which quadrant do the given point lie? तो 4, -2, x पॉजिटिव और y नेगेटिव कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आता है?
Fourth.
Fourth.
या इट्स वेरी क्लियर कि जब x पॉजिटिव होता है और y नेगेटिव होता है तो इट विल लाई इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. यहाँ पे फोर्थ लिख दो. क्या कर दिया मैंने? ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट वाला जो है वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट आएगा. Fourth quadrant. What about this -1 and -2?
Third.
Third.
lie in third quadrant. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन इसमें तो नहीं होना चाहिए. दोनों पॉजिटिव होता है तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, y नेगेटिव x पॉजिटिव सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, बोथ नेगेटिव थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, एंड x पॉजिटिव एंड y नेगेटिव फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. Then question number 14. Find the point whose ordinate is 6. Ordinate का मतलब होता है y एक्सिस. ऑर्डिनेट का मतलब क्या होता है? y की वैल्यू दी है, y की वैल्यू 6 दी है और इट लाइज ऑन y एक्सिस. कहाँ पे है वो? y एक्सिस के ऊपर है. तो y एक्सिस पे x की वैल्यू क्या होती है?
0.
0.
Will be 0, 6. Hope it is clear. And this question number 15,
Yes,
very simple. x, 2 and y, 1. ये तो I think NCERT book का ही है. It's a solution of this equation. Then what will be the value of k? So just substitute x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 in the given equation. It will be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equals to k, and that is equals to what? 4 plus 3, 7. Therefore, the value of k is 7. ये textbook का equation and express last one. Express 4x plus 4x is equals to 5y in the form of ax plus by plus c. This can be written as 4x minus 5y plus 0 is equals to 0, or you can write 4x plus in the bracket minus 5 into y plus 0 is equals to 0. कंपेयर करोगे तो a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे आ जाएगी 4, b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी -5 और c की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0. एनी कंफ्यूजन?
No, sir.
ये तीनों कंप्लीट करो फटाफट. Now 1 mark questions are completed. Now 2 mark question from question number 17 to question number 19. So if you solve this question number 17, it is given that for what value of k, x plus 1 is a factor of this p of x is equals to kx square. ये kx2 लिखा है, kx square minus x minus 4. बोल रहा है कि k की किस वैल्यू के लिए x plus 1 इसका फैक्टर होगा. ठीक है, तो लेट x plus 1 be a factor of given p of x. मान लिया कि ये फैक्टर है. फैक्टर होगा तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? p of -1 0 होगा. x plus 1 फैक्टर है तो x plus 1 is equals to 0. What will be the value of x? -1 ना. If you substitute x equals to -1 in the given polynomial, the whole polynomial will become 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now just substitute the value of x as -1 in the given polynomial. It will be what? K into -1 whole square minus of -1 and minus 4 is equals to 0. -1 whole square is 1, it is k, and this minus into -1 is +1, and -4 is equals to 0. Now k plus 1 minus 4, k minus 3 is equals to 0. Now if you take this -3 to that side, it will converted as plus 3. Therefore, the value of k is 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 18 is homework. You are supposed to locate root 3 on the number line. This is homework for you. Now we will move to the question number 19. Question number 19, rationalize. Rationalize. Generally, the question is rationalize the denominator. Here you have given, क्या दिया है आपको, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 Okay, so here the denominator is 2 minus root 3. Therefore, we have to multiply by conjugate of 2 minus root 3. What is the conjugate of 2 minus root 3? क्या conjugate का मतलब पता है कि नहीं आप लोगों को? Conjugate का मतलब होता है हाँ, जो वैल्यू नीचे दी है उसका जस्ट यू आर सपोज टू चेंज द साइन. तो यहाँ पे 2 minus root 3 था तो 2 plus root 3 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Upside it will be what? 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is 2 plus root 3 का whole square, and downside it is a minus b and a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square, and a plus b whole square is a square करेंगे तो 4 हो जाएगा, b square करेंगे तो 3 हो जाएगा, और 2ab करेंगे तो 2 to the 4 root 3 upon 2 to the 4 minus 3. तो नीचे तो 1 हो जाएगा, ऊपर 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 root 3. Is it clear to everyone or any confusion is there?
No, sir.
Just copy it. अब यहाँ तक ही हम आज करेंगे. This question 3 mark question and 4 mark question will do in the next class. Just write it now.